Looks pretty neat so far. It's gonna look pretty cool in the truck. You wanna hold it up there?
That's gonna be insane. You get back to work so that he can get to work, so this can get the f out of here so we can have a powder coat on time. So we are currently on our way to Chicago for the day. They have a powder coat guy who has a 2-day turnaround on all powder coat pieces. Everything up by us is basically like a 6+ week turnaround time, which is ridiculous. There's only like 4 weeks, I think it is, until Daytona now. So we just said, screw it, we're gonna drive to Chicago for the day. They're actually gonna let us film too, so we are going to Willis Wheel Repair, I believe is what they're called. We're getting done on the ARC 350 powder coat, or suspension pieces. So we shipped it there on Monday. It is currently Thursday. We're heading down there now to film all the powder coat happening, all that fun stuff. And then it'll be back to us either late this week or early next week, and then we'll be able to get it installed.
Driving 3 hours one way for powder coat might seem a bit excessive, but with the time crunch we're on, we knew we had no other choice than to go with someone who can get us the pieces back in time and be done correctly, since there simply was no time for any mistakes at this point. The powder coat process is actually a bit more lengthy than one might assume. Since the lift already comes straight from BDS already coated, the guys had to strip that before they could sandblast the kit to be prepped for powder and then baked at 500 degrees before letting it drop down to about 140 degrees for the clear coat application. We opted to spray on an illusion clear to give the kit a really vibrant and deep red look, and then was back in the oven at 400 degrees to be finished. While the team kept working on the powder, we raced back to the garage to get back to work on the Super Duty.
So we added more flat black here. He brought it into the bumpers and everything, because I told him, you know, hey, the bumpers are gonna be done too. So he just drug it in, and then he added more flat black back here.
Yep.
So there's more flat in it, so he took out a little bit of the dark gray.
I like it.
So I think that is our final pattern.
How many weeks until Daytona? 1, 2, 3.
It's
3 weeks and like 5 days.
That would be like 4 weeks.
1, 2, 3, 4 weeks minus a day. 4 weeks minus a day.
From today.
Oh, okay. Yeah, get back to work then, I guess. Good talk.
With no lift kit and a missing wrap, Cody got to work installing some of the small detail pieces that sometimes go unnoticed. First up was the new bed rug, followed by a tonneau cover from our friends at Lomax. We didn't waste any more time and got both the front and the rear bumpers pulled off so they could be replaced with much meaner looking ADD bumpers. Plus, Junior wanted to steal those for his Bronco build. We've had a long-standing relationship with Fox Valley Tint and Wraps, and had Nick black out the truck at 5% all the way around, plus 35% on the windshield. While that was being done, Banker put in some overtime and installed a bunch of rock lights from Black Label Lighting to get this thing lit up. And then we ran into some problems.
So
our original plan, right, was black wheels with a dark red suspension that when you hit the lights,
color
it
is maroon.
Maroon.
Yep.
So then the light hits it, it's like a bright cherry.
Yep.
Okay?
Following, because we're gonna have like 9 million rock lights into this thing, right?
Correct. So then we switched to red wheels because we want to showcase our
Custom finish. Yep.
color. And we never changed the lift kit because every sample we saw was still a bright red.
Sure. Is that only when the light hits it super a lot?
I don't know, because even when the light hits this thing, it's not even close.
What are we stopping? So we should stop the shipment from coming up here, right? I don't think it's worth.
Emailed Ron.
I'll call him just to double check. I'll call Warren just to double check and let him know.
Alloy wheel.
Hey Warren, how's it going? This is Jared.
Hey, good, Jared. How you doing?
Good. I don't know if you saw Ron's message or not as far as what's going on.
I did.
Okay.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
Did you cancel the order then so it doesn't get picked up today? Or the shipment delivery thing?
Oh, shoot. No, I have not canceled that because I thought they were looking to pick up. I thought that this was tomorrow.
Do you want us to ship you? We have a little sample chunk from one of our wheels. It's the finish of the wheel. Do you want us to overnight that down to you?
I'm going to take a picture of a wheel that I actually have hanging in my shop.
Sure. Yeah, I'll check out that photo once we get off this call then and see if we like that and what we can do then, so.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you much. Sorry, it's a show.
Oh, no, not a problem. Not a problem. Well, I'll put a stop to everything until we talk shortly.
Awesome. Appreciate it, Warren. Thank you.
All right, thanks. Bye.
Bye. 17 business days until we leave for Daytona. It's going to be the 17th before we get that back, and then we've got 11 days and we're on the road to Daytona. This is literally... They have this wheel hanging up in their showroom.
Okay.
It's called Dazzling Red. So he was talking about how he doesn't know any illusion colors. That'd be kind of what we're talking about.
Yep.
But he knows some super chrome with the top coat. So I'm like, that's fine. We don't need illusion.
Yep.
He sent me this one.
I think we're better off going with
Anodized red.
Anodized.
And hoping it's good.
Over super chrome.
Yeah. Because I was telling him it seemed flat, but on the super chrome, it looked good.
Yeah, because this one.
Yeah. So I'll let him know that the Dazzling Red's a little more pink than we were looking for based on other photos we saw in the gallery.
Yep.
Anodized red looks like it's going to be the move. And then we'll send him this sample to match.
Here's my problem. I am severely shorthanded right now.
Yeah, I heard. That's why I was asking you. Yep.
And coming out there would be like physically impossible right now.
All right. Cool. Yeah, so I will get you the truck as soon as possible, and then I'll just I'll be in touch on when I can get it to you.
Okay.
So, sound good?
Like a plan.
All right, Luke. I'll talk to you later. Thank you.
All right.
So I mean that's good news, realistically. He can get to it any time as long as we can get the truck done. So we just need to figure out powder coat and get that lift kit back up here sooner rather than later.
We have good news and we have better news. Banker, we have good news and we have better news. Which do you want to hear first?
Give me the good news.
So the good news first is that the color that we want, that Jolly Rancher red, is quote by Warren, dead nuts perfect, unquote.
Okay.
The gooder news is that it looks like they can have it shipping out Friday morning, they're saying.
Okay.
So we should have it for Monday. And
Monday's
it's gonna
a holiday.
Tuesday. We'll have it for Tuesday. Keep forgetting that. We'll have it for Tuesday. It's gonna match the wheels. It's gonna be awesome. He's super excited. So there we go.
So you're saying we might have a truck ready for Daytona?
There's like, our chances went from like 70% to like 85, so.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Junior, Banker,
Yo.
lift kit's here.
Lift kit's here.
Lift kit's here.
Hang on.
Junior!
You wanna see what I'm doing, Lawson? Just bring the camera over here real quick.
Hey, that's me. Oh,
Getting
yeah.
you ready for Daytona. Wow.
Can you just look at it?
Sweet, I'm excited. This
Cool.
looks awesome.
Luke O'Neill, videographer for Archon Off-Road.
Howdy.
Have you seen it?
Have I seen what?
The lift kit.
No, I haven't. I'm coming out here to look at it. Oh yeah.
Oh baby. Brian,
What do
Rain,
you think of lift kit?
what do you think of lift kit?
That's dope.
Lawson.
That's powder.
That's nuts. Dude, this is insane.
Ron,
What?
what do you think about the new powder coat?
Wow.
I would normally think that this is not correct, but since it's you guys, it's probably right on.
Bro.
That is like, where we go. I've never seen powder coat that's so like candied.
Yep.
Look at that. That's like perfect.
Only way you get it closer to this is to actually be at the factory.
You're like the third person who's literally said that. The only way you can get any closer is to
Yeah.
spray them at the same time.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Well, put it on there. Let's go. We got
Done?
we got like 7 days where this truck needs to be on the road.